Okay, so I cut out the taped pattern. I transferred it to some paper, and then I transferred it onto the fur. Whenever you go to do that, make sure that you do one side this way and then you flip it for the opposite side so they mirror each other. I labeled them R for right, L for left. These little dashes represent where they're going to meet up with the other patterns. And then I sewed them all together with a little bit of seam allowance. And I think it's going to work. Like, I want him to be scraggly, so it's a pretty good start.